With 25 years in the business, LYC has established itself as one of the UK's leading and most versatile yacht charter and events companies. Our hospitality programmes offer experiences on board some of the largest and most luxurious yachts on Solent waters. These Jeanneau 54s are perfect for corporate sailing days, racing regattas, team-building exercises or leisurely excursions around the Solent. Meals can be catered for either on board or at a number of waterfront bistro pubs, hotels and restaurants. Yacht racing provides the ultimate experience as a team-building exercise. Our luxurious boats are comfortable but also fast. Groups are brought together with the focus of a collective goal and must operate as a tightly bonded unit to remain competitive. It's a challenge of communication, leadership and mental agility. Our trained and experienced skippers welcome novice and advanced sailors alike. Corporate packages can include overnight accommodation at one of our partner hotels and any number of exhilarating land and water-based events.